Where are my manners? Where are my manners? I'm so sorry if I've used other people's corporations and names. I just wanted to say thank you. I was talking more specifically about how relationships are important, and so Larry Hillbloom, God bless him, I miss that guy. He's a good guy and he met a lot of good friends out here in Kentucky, and so now I'm realizing, like, I like my brand, I like Coke, I like Starbucks, I like, the red team, I like the one team, I like Virgin Atlantic, but I more unfortunately like the people who are behind, the corporations. People who are hardworking. I'm staying at Holiday Inn, and thank you so much, Holiday Inn Corporation. For your hospitality. That's where I'm coming from. I'm not using it in vain or to show a political, action. Supporting my campaign. No, no. I just wanted to say thank you. And so, I asked people to, give me only $1 for my campaign. What I didn't tell them was, you don't, how many times you give me $1, that's up to you, you know. And so that's what I was getting behind is that I can definitely write to these corporations, and I know they're supporting my education, and I thank my university, and I thank my colleagues who are making a difference. And those who are not here, at residency, I'm kind of like saddened that you didn't come. I hope that people who finish, go see through it to completion. And your hard work is definitely noticed by me, and I thank you. And I want to appreciate you in more ways than one. So that's just it. I mean, I have to go back to work, and I got plenty reading to do. So, just I love you, and thank you so much for the opportunity to learn and to be part in this world with you, because this is what life's about. This is real and it's human life, and I appreciate you in my life. Okay. Thanks.